Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Curry Gaming with another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing video, and today, my good friend Zach gave me some trucks that I needed for my collection, and it is the last two trucks I needed from Mix 3 of the Fire and Ice singles, and they are Whiplash Fire and my favorite monster truck from Team Ice, Bakugan Dragonoid. Man, these look awesome. Yeah, so thank you again, Zach, for finding these for me. Believe it or not, he actually found these for me, I think it was like yesterday or the day before. I'm not sure, but he got them for me like this week. So that's awesome. So I think I'm going to unbox Whiplash Fire first. Alright, so here is the truck, fresh out of the package. Oh man, compared to the regular Whiplash, this one is awesome. I'm still missing the Reveal the Steel version of Whiplash, and then once I get that, I would basically have all three currently released Whiplash variants until that fourth one comes out, which I think is supposed to come out in a later batch of the Spin Master Monster Jam singles assortments. So, but I would say this is my favorite Whiplash because I mean, like, it's different and it's black and it's really cool. So on the side you got the W logo in orange, then the pinstriping. It looks like they followed Monster Jam OCD's request to put more pinstriping on there and stuff. You got some patterns right there. Like I think that's like cowgirl outfits. I'm not sure. Then you got the Monster Jam Fire logo on the tailgate, the W logo with stars and everything. Same thing on this side. You got the W logo on the front. Headlights now have sockets. I think Monster Jam OCD was requesting that. Grill is 3D, which is nice. You got more pinstriping on the front. Then you got the W patch, and then the W logo on top. Yeah, so, like, if you can remember, they had to go with W instead of Whiplash because of copyright reasons. But I still call it Whiplash anyway, since it has like the Whiplash design and everything. And yeah, I'd say Whiplash Fire is like my favorite version of Whiplash. So yeah, very cool. Wish it was a real truck though. And here is my favorite truck from the Team Ice, the Bakugan Dragonoid. Alright, here is Bakugan Dragonoid in all of its icy glory. So, obviously Bakugan Dragonoid, I've said this before, it's my all-time favorite Monster Jam truck, and I mean, since it's part of Team Ice, I'd say it's probably my favorite. I'd say the Bakugan Dragonoid Ice is my favorite ice truck that they've made. So, honestly, I kind of wish it was a real truck, in my opinion. So, yeah, it's really cool. So let's look at it in full detail. Everyone knows that this is the same bottom half as all ice trucks, but it's got the clear horn, which you can move. It's got a white eye, and then the teeth are 3D, as always. It's got like patterns of blue and white all over the top, like of the metal area. It's got blue arms, which you can move, and then it's got some blue and white underneath. Then the Dragonoid logo, the Bakugan logo. Wings are not very movable. Well, you can move them a little bit, but I wouldn't recommend it because you could probably break it by accident. So I wouldn't recommend moving the arms. So I would leave them alone, or I mean the wings. So I would recommend leaving the wings alone, but the arms and horn have more articulation. So, and same thing on this side for the Dragonoid with the arm. And then it's got the Bakugan and Monster Jam logo on the wing, then the Bakugan logo on the top. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of Whiplash Fire and Bakugan Dragonoid Ice. Just like Red Hulk, Iron Spider, Northern Nightmare Ice, and Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire. These two will also make their Sign Up Series debut in Sign Up Series number 22. So stay tuned for that. And I am feeling a lot better. So tomorrow I will be doing the event for Sign Up Series number 21. And also some other information I have for you guys is I do have a package coming on the way from the Monster Jam Superstore, and believe it or not, it has 2 training trucks. So the training trucks I ordered from the Superstore are Megalodon and Dragon. So yeah, so look forward to seeing those in my collection in the future. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.